Okay, today we are going to be talking about Honeygain, and we're going to go straight into the video, and we're going to be looking at if you've come to find a referral code, you'll probably find a referral code either in this video here. I'll put it up on the screen. Also, you'll find a referral code in the description and in the first comment as well. So you can just click on those links and it will take you through, and it will give you a $5 bonus, guys, for joining Honeygain. It's free to join, and you can also earn more money by simply sharing your internet. That's all you do. And as you see here, all you have to do is download it onto your Windows, and you can download it to a PC, to a mobile phone, or to a tablet. And it's best if you can actually download it to 3 different devices on the one IP address. You can have more devices, but it have to be on a separate IP address. So let's quickly go through exactly how Honeygain works and what you have to actually go through to get it up and sorted. And stay tuned right to the very end, because I'm actually going to pull some money out. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually get your money out of Honeygain as well. So as you can see here, some people say about security if you're actually sharing your internet. And as you can see here, Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks for or gains access to your storage of your device. Okay, so there's no worries about security, and they've got some fantastic reviews on Trustpilot and that at the moment. So yeah, it seems to be a very trustworthy site. So it says here what your internet is going to be used for. What's going to help businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restrictions or censorship. So that's basically how it works, guys. So your estimated earnings, they're estimating about $19 a month. Well, that's going to depend on your internet connection and certain other things as well. You've obviously got to stay connected all the time, which is not always possible. So take that with a pinch of salt. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to earn a full-time living at it. But remember, guys, this is passive income. It's set and forget, and then you don't have to worry about it. Literally, you would then get possibly the $19 a month. I think it's probably going to take you more like 2 months to do that. But of course, you can speed that up and you can get more earnings and so check out some of the other videos I've done here, which will give you more tips and tricks to get more money with Honeygain. So as you can see here, it basically says the number of IP addresses. The more IP addresses your devices are connected to, the more you can earn. It's as simple as that. Now there's 5 steps to Honeygain. Obviously you need to set it up, and it can be installed on Windows, Linux, Macs, Android devices with a stable internet connection. You then obviously activate Honeygain, and then you let it gather the bits of information that are publicly available online. And then you're obviously going to help those businesses use the internet. And also at the end of it, you are obviously going to get paid. And I'm going to show you very shortly how you can easily get paid and withdraw this money to your PayPal. Or you can also get paid in Bitcoin as well. Okay, so that's how Honeygain works. As you can see, very, very simple, and it is like a set and forget app that you can actually use. So if I head over to my dashboard now, and as you can see here, I've gathered nearly 24,000. And one of the ways you can earn is to come in daily. And as you can see here, we've just had this pop up, win credits daily. So if you literally come into your dashboard, you can do it on your mobile phone as well. You don't have to come onto your PC every day. You can just click on try your luck, and this window opens, and then you just click on open. Boom, and I've got another 50 credits which will be added to my account, and there you go, they've added straight away. So I'm nearly up to 24,000 credits. Now obviously you have to get to 20,000 credits before you can pay out, and remember, by clicking the link in the description or using my referral code, you are going to get 5,000 credits straight away off the bat, guys. So you're a quarter of the way to getting your first payout already. Now obviously to get paid out, all you do is request payout here, and it says how would you like to receive your payout. Well, I'm going to go with PayPal, and then just press continue, And it says, are you ready to collect your earnings? Usually takes up to 24 hours to process, and you literally just click request payout. Okay, and it says security before checking. We have sent you a verification code in your email box. So I've got to enter that first. So if I head over to my emails, and there is my verification code there. So we've got the email there, and there's the code. So we literally just copy and paste that, or you can just remember it if you wanted to. Come back over to your Honeygain, and we literally paste that in there and submit the code. Boom, there we go. It's as easy as that, guys. So I've now got $24 nearly heading through to my PayPal account. And I've obviously been check out some of the other videos I've done on Honeygain, which obviously show you it going into my PayPal account, so I can verify basically that yes, it also goes. There's no problem with actually getting paid on Honeygain. So as you can see here, Honeygain is really easy to set up, and it's literally just a set and forget. So try it today, and you could earn some passive income just by sharing your internet. And also, don't forget to sign up via my link to get your $5 bonus, which will be added to your account straight away as soon as you sign up. Okay, I trust you found that interesting and useful. If you did, if you're going to use Honeygain, then obviously let me know in the comments below. Perhaps you're already using Honeygain, then obviously let me know in the comments below as well. Don't forget to check out this video next. This video will give you 3 great tips which you can use to earn more money on Honeygain. Also, remember, if you haven't subscribed to the channel right now, make sure you do so right now. Click the notification bell and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video. Bye for now.